How to make everyone can see your religion on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can see your religion on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click profile information and then here you will find your religion. Just click this pen here and go down. Here you will find it. Just click this icon here and select public and then just save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.